Senator Susan Collins is pushing for federal funding to address Maine's critical health care needs.
The Republican senator toured 2 hospitals today. She said she's working to secure millions in support of expansion projects and more equipment. News Center Maine's Carly Dion reports.
Senator Susan Collins visiting Northern Lights Eastern Maine Medical Center and Acadia Hospital, addressing a number of healthcare issues.
We are seeing a crisis in pediatric mental health.
Collins supporting nearly $3.2 million for those hospitals in the fiscal year 2023 appropriations bill. Some of that money to support this expansion project, addressing some limitations at Acadia Hospital.
Because of spacing requirements and the difficulty of housing patients 2 in a room, they cannot fully utilize the 100 beds that they are licensed for.
Once completed, the hospital will have 100 private rooms for mental health patients, with a focus on the youngest patients.
And the resources that we will have here at Acadia Hospital will allow those children to come out of the emergency room environment and into the therapeutic environment that they need.
The rest of the appropriations bill funding would cover the cost of 28 new ventilators for EMMC's critical care units, all still up for a vote by the Senate and House. Collins also addressing the historic Inflation Reduction Act that passed the Senate 51-50 on Sunday without her support.
I did not think that a lot of the provisions of the bill were well thought out.
Collins saying the spending package comes at a time when Mainers are still struggling with high gas prices and grocery bills.
I found it shocking.
Collins also sharing her thoughts on the search warrant of former President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago home.
I think the Justice Department needs to release more information on what the basis was for the FBI raid.
As for the fiscal year appropriations bill, Senator Collins says she is hopeful it will be voted on next month. In Bangor, Carly Dion, News Center, Maine.